Most people step into the market asking the wrong question. How much money can I make? That mindset blinds them. It turns trading into gambling. Ghost Trader asked a different question. How much can I afford to lose? That single shift separated him from the crowd. He knew capital was life. Without it, you are out of the game. Ideas don't matter. Past wins don't matter. No money, no future. He treated trading like a business, not a casino. Just as a shopkeeper protects his goods, Ghost Trader protected his money. Every trade was filtered through one thought. Does this protect my capital? His journey was not smooth. He won big, but he also lost big. Each defeat taught him something. The market punishes ego, impatience, and hope. Only discipline survives. Ghost Trader learned to cut losses quickly. He never allowed a small loss to grow into disaster. To him, a small loss was not shame, it was a fee for staying in the game. When he was right, he stayed patient. Most traders cash out too early, afraid to lose a small gain. But he held on. The real money came from sitting tight and letting the market run. He avoided constant trading. Many believed action meant progress, but endless trades only drained accounts. Ghost Trader often waited in cash. Cash gave him freedom and clarity. Waiting gave him power. He trusted no tips or rumors. Once he followed another man's advice and paid the price. From then on, he relied only on his own judgment. Every trade was his responsibility. He also accepted a humbling truth. The market is never wrong. If price moved against him, he didn't fight. He respected the verdict, closed the trade, and moved on. But his greatest enemy wasn't the market, it was himself. Greed tempted him to risk more. Fear pushed him to exit too soon. Ego hated admitting mistakes. Hope begged him to hold on. He built rules to fight these emotions. Discipline was his armor. Ghost Trader's story wasn't about chasing fast riches. It was about survival, patience, and respect for risk. He often said, "The market will always be here tomorrow." The question is, will you still be in the game?